Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. Tap next, agree, next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google, okay Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also enable assistant responses on lock screen, and now simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, there will be scattered showers with a high of 61 and a low of 41.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.